Heal yourself with baking soda. Did you know that baking soda, that white powder common in our kitchens, can be a true health ally? What if I told you that it's not just for making cakes, but it can also help solve problems like canker sores, arthritis, and even urinary infections? Are you taking advantage of the full potential of this affordable ingredient? Throughout this video, we'll explore how baking soda can transform your health and your family's well-being. But first, tell me, do you ever use bicarbonate for anything other than cooking recipes? Or do you know someone who could benefit from this information? Get ready to discover surprising medicinal uses based on scientific studies. Let's get started. The secret behind sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, is an alkaline chemical compound found in many kitchens around the world. It is widely used in cooking as a fermenting agent, but few know that its properties go far beyond that. Composed of sodium and bicarbonate, it has the ability to neutralize acids, making it a valuable ally in balancing the body's pH. This characteristic makes bicarbonate a multifunctional ingredient, with applications ranging from skincare to the treatment of more complex health conditions. Scientific studies have shown that it can help in a variety of areas, from reducing inflammation to improving kidney health. Despite its many applications, it is important to use it responsibly and, whenever possible, under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Bicarbonate is safe and affordable, but like any substance, excessive or inappropriate use can pose risks, such as electrolyte imbalances or increased blood pressure due to the high sodium content. Now that you know the basics about this special ingredient, it's time to explore each of its incredible medicinal uses. How bicarbonate can eliminate sores in days. Canker sores, small lesions in the mouth, can be extremely uncomfortable and painful. Although they seem harmless, they can interfere with eating, speaking, and even general well-being. This is where baking soda stands out as a natural and effective ally. Its alkaline properties help neutralize the acids present in the mouth, reducing irritation and creating a less favorable environment for the proliferation of bacteria. Furthermore, its antibacterial characteristics contribute to faster wound healing. A significant study conducted at the Sunningbrooke Oral Health Clinic revealed surprising results. For 7 years, more than 3,000 patients with persistent canker sores were treated with sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes. The result was a significant reduction in injuries in 70% of cases, especially when bicarbonate was used regularly. Preparing a home remedy with bicarbonate for canker sores is simple. Mix a small amount of water with the bicarbonate until it forms a paste. Apply directly to the lesion, or, if you prefer, rinse your mouth with a solution of water and bicarbonate 3 times a day. This method is safe even for children, providing quick pain relief and making eating easier. It is important to remember that if the canker sores recur or do not improve with this treatment, you should see a healthcare professional for a more detailed evaluation. And now that you know the first medicinal use of baking soda, you're ready to discover how it can help relieve even more intense pain. Arthritis. The anti-inflammatory power of bicarbonate. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, is a chronic inflammatory condition that can cause severe pain, stiffness, and even disability in the joints. But what if a simple ingredient like baking soda could offer relief? Scientific research suggests that it can be a powerful tool for reducing the symptoms of this condition. A study published in 2018 revealed that sodium bicarbonate can help create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. Researchers observed the effects in humans and laboratory animals who consumed a bicarbonate solution mixed with water. The results were encouraging. There was a significant reduction in joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. The secret appears to lie in macrophages, cells of the immune system that play a central role in inflammation. Bicarbonate changes the way these cells send inflammatory signals, helping to control the body's autoimmune response. For those who suffer from arthritis, the recommendation is simple. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and consume the solution once a day, preferably after a meal. However, it is crucial that use is moderate and monitored by a healthcare professional, especially for people with conditions such as high blood pressure or heart problems. This method is not a cure, but it can be an effective complement to alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. And if you found it interesting how bicarbonate can act on joints, wait until you discover how it protects one of the most vital organs in the human body: the kidneys. Protect your kidneys with this simple ingredient. The kidneys play a vital role in the body by filtering the blood, eliminating toxins, and maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. But in conditions like chronic kidney disease, this essential function can be impaired over time. This is where sodium bicarbonate comes in as a possible ally to preserve kidney health. Scientific studies have shown that bicarbonate can help reduce the progression of chronic kidney disease. A study of adults who took oral bicarbonate supplements revealed promising results. For 2 years, participants who regularly consumed bicarbonate reduced their risk of progression of kidney failure by 36%. Additionally, it has been observed that sodium bicarbonate can counteract metabolic acidosis, a common condition in patients with kidney problems. This effect occurs because bicarbonate helps to alkalize the blood, reducing acidity levels that harm kidney function. To include bicarbonate in your routine, it is recommended to mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water and consume it once a day. This simple habit can help improve pH levels in the body and protect kidney function. However, it is essential to remember that continued use must be supervised by a doctor, especially for those with pre-existing illnesses. Although the benefits are promising, bicarbonate does not replace conventional medical treatments, but it can be an excellent complement. Now that you understand how bicarbonate can help preserve the health of your kidneys, it's time to discover its power in relieving a very common discomfort: heartburn. Never suffer with heartburn again. An incredible, natural remedy. Heartburn, that burning sensation in the chest and throat, can be extremely uncomfortable and even disabling in more serious cases. It occurs when stomach acid returns to the esophagus, irritating its walls. Although there are numerous medications available, baking soda offers a simple, affordable, and effective solution to alleviate this problem. Because it is alkaline, bicarbonate has the ability to neutralize excess acid in the stomach. When mixed with water and ingested, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid present in the stomach, forming salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reaction not only quickly reduces acidity, but also provides a slight burp, relieving pressure in the stomach. Studies confirm that bicarbonate is effective as an occasional antidote for heartburn. To use it, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda in 200 milliliters of water and drink slowly. This method relieves the burning sensation within minutes. However, frequent use should be avoided as it can cause imbalances in the body, such as increased sodium levels and changes in blood pH. People with high blood pressure, heart failure, or other related conditions should consult a doctor before using bicarbonate for this purpose. Not only is sodium bicarbonate effective against heartburn, it can also be found in many medications sold in pharmacies. Therefore, instead of resorting to these products, you can have a natural and economical solution at your fingertips. If you found it helpful to know how to deal with heartburn naturally, get ready to discover how baking soda can transform the appearance of your skin. Dry skin? Discover how bicarbonate can transform you. Dry skin can be more than just a nuisance. It causes itching, cracking, and even pain in more serious cases. If you've tried countless creams without success, baking soda may be the homemade solution you've been looking for. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, bicarbonate helps soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote hydration. It is also effective against conditions such as eczema and dermatitis, relieving the itching and irritation associated with these conditions. A simple and effective recipe is to combine a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of coconut oil or sunflower oil. Mix until it forms a paste and apply to the affected area. Leave it on for about 5 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This combination creates a protective barrier on the skin, helping to retain moisture and reduce flaking. For dry and cracked feet, which often cause pain and discomfort, baking soda can also work miracles. Apply the same paste to your feet and let it act for 10 to 15 minutes. After the treatment, dead skin will be removed with ease, leaving your feet soft and renewed. Although this treatment is natural and safe, It is important to test a small area of skin before using baking soda, especially on sensitive skin. If irritation persists or worsens, consult a dermatologist. And now that you've discovered how baking soda can transform your dry skin, get ready to learn how it can bring a radiant glow to your dull skin. How to have radiant skin using only baking soda. Dull, flaky skin can be a sign of dead cell buildup, sun exposure, or even a lack of adequate hydration. If you want to restore the radiance and smoothness of your skin, baking soda can be the perfect ally for a natural exfoliation treatment. Thanks to its fine texture and slightly abrasive properties, bicarbonate is an excellent exfoliant that removes dead cells, leaving the skin softer and brighter. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and mild irritation. To make your own scrub, mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water until it forms a thick paste. If you prefer, add a few drops of your favorite body oil to enhance hydration. Apply the mixture to the skin with gentle circular movements without applying too much pressure. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This simple practice can be done once a week, ensuring healthier skin with a fresh, radiant appearance. For drier areas of the body, such as elbows and knees, baking soda is also highly effective. Apply the paste and let it act for a little longer, about 5 minutes, for a deeper effect. However, be careful when using baking soda on sensitive areas such as your face. Test it on a small area to make sure it doesn't cause irritation. If used correctly, bicarbonate can become the secret to renewed and luminous skin. Now that you know how to take care of your skin, let's explore how baking soda can solve a common and embarrassing problem: bad breath. The definitive solution to bad breath is in your kitchen. Bad breath, or halitosis, can be uncomfortable and undermine confidence, especially in social situations. Although it is caused by several factors such as diet, inadequate oral hygiene, or gastrointestinal problems, baking soda can be a simple and effective solution to combat this problem. Bicarbonate has alkaline and antibacterial properties that help neutralize acids in the mouth and eliminate bacteria responsible for bad odor. It acts as a natural cleanser, promoting a healthier oral environment. To prepare a homemade mouthwash, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 100 milliliters of water. Use the solution to rinse your mouth 3 times a day. In addition to combating bad breath, this practice helps prevent the accumulation of bacterial plaque, promoting more complete oral hygiene. Studies confirm the effectiveness of bicarbonate in combating halitosis. It not only eliminates unpleasant odors, but is also effective in maintaining a balanced pH in the mouth, reducing acidity that favors the proliferation of bacteria. Despite its benefits, it's important to remember that bad breath can be a symptom of more serious conditions, such as mouth infections or stomach problems. If the problem persists, even with the use of bicarbonate, see a dentist or doctor for evaluation. With this practical and affordable solution, you can transform your oral care routine and say goodbye to bad breath. And speaking of quick, natural solutions, wait until you find out how baking soda can soothe insect bites. Insect bites, immediate relief with a homemade recipe. Insect bites, such as mosquitoes and ants, can cause itching, redness, and swelling, and are extremely uncomfortable. The good news is that baking soda can offer quick and effective relief from these symptoms. Thanks to its alkaline properties, bicarbonate helps neutralize acidic substances present in insect saliva, which are responsible for skin irritation. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling in the affected area. Preparing a paste to relieve stings is simple and quick. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water until it forms a homogeneous paste. Apply this mixture directly to the bite and let it act for about 10 minutes. Then, rinse with warm water. This method helps relieve itching almost immediately and effectively reduces inflammation. For those who suffer from severe allergies to insect bites, bicarbonate can be a complement to medical treatment, helping to minimize discomfort while the medications work. However, it is important to remember that in cases of severe allergic reactions, such as difficulty breathing or generalized swelling, medical assistance should be sought immediately. With this simple solution, you can be prepared to deal with insect bites at any time, especially during travel or periods of greater exposure to nature. Now that you know how bicarbonate can relieve stings, get ready to discover how it can also be an ally for those looking to improve physical performance in high-intensity activities. Increase your physical performance with this simple trick. If you practice intense physical activity and are looking for ways to improve your performance, sodium bicarbonate can be a surprising ally. During high-intensity exercise, the body produces lactic acid, which is responsible for the burning sensation in the muscles and muscle fatigue. Bicarbonate, being alkaline, helps neutralize this acid, delaying fatigue and allowing you to maintain performance for longer. A study published in the European Journal of Physiology demonstrated that ingesting bicarbonate before physical activity increases blood pH and improves the body's ability to buffer acids. Participants who consumed bicarbonate showed greater endurance and performance in high-intensity exercise. To use bicarbonate as a natural ergogenic aid, mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water about 30 minutes before exercising. This practice can help reduce muscle fatigue, increase effort tolerance, and improve post-workout recovery. However, it is important to use baking soda with caution. Excessive consumption can cause gastrointestinal discomfort in some people. Therefore, start with small doses to assess your body's tolerance. And remember, if you have a health condition, such as high blood pressure or kidney problems, it is essential to consult a doctor before using bicarbonate for this purpose. With this simple addition to your routine, you can take a step closer to achieving better physical performance. And speaking of benefits for the body, the next topic will reveal how bicarbonate can help treat urinary infections naturally. Urinary infections? Fight them in a natural and effective way. Urinary infections are recurring problems for many people, causing pain, burning, and discomfort. They usually occur due to the growth of bacteria in an acidic environment in the bladder and urinary tract. This is where sodium bicarbonate can stand out as a natural resource to help treat and relieve symptoms. As it is an alkaline compound, bicarbonate helps to reduce the acidity of urine, creating a less favorable environment for the proliferation of bacteria such as Escherichia coli, one of the main agents causing urinary infections. Studies published in the Journal of Urology indicate that alkalizing agents, such as bicarbonate, can complement medical treatment, especially in recurrent cases. To include bicarbonate in the treatment, mix half a teaspoon in 100 milliliters of water and drink 3 times a day. This practice can alleviate symptoms such as the burning sensation when urinating, in addition to reducing the frequency of infections. However, bicarbonate should be used as a complement to treatment prescribed by a doctor, not as a substitute. It is essential to maintain adequate hydration and follow medical instructions, especially if antibiotics are necessary. The use of bicarbonate can be an effective additional strategy, but it needs to be done with caution and for short periods. If symptoms persist or worsen, seek medical attention immediately. Now that you know how bicarbonate can help fight urinary tract infections, let's explore one of its most important uses: balancing pH in the blood. Can bicarbonate really help balance blood pH? Blood pH balance is essential for the healthy functioning of the human body. When the pH becomes excessively acidic, a condition known as metabolic acidosis occurs, which can be triggered by kidney problems, severe dehydration, or chronic illnesses. In this context, sodium bicarbonate can be a practical and effective solution to help neutralize excess acidity in the blood. Due to its alkaline properties, bicarbonate is often used in hospital settings to treat severe metabolic acidosis. It works by combining with acids in the blood, increasing pH, and restoring the body's acid-base balance. Studies published in the Journal of Nephrology show that, in controlled cases, the use of sodium bicarbonate can improve the condition of patients with metabolic acidosis, especially those with renal failure. For mild cases or as a preventive measure, the recommendation is to consume a solution containing half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate diluted in water, but only under medical supervision. Indiscriminate use can cause alkalosis, a condition opposite to acidosis, in which the blood pH becomes excessively alkaline, causing complications such as cramps and mental confusion. Therefore, it is crucial that the use of bicarbonate to balance pH is moderate and monitored by a healthcare professional. This approach can be especially beneficial for people with conditions that affect the kidney system, or with significant loss of natural bicarbonate in the body. With bicarbonate, it is possible to restore the body's balance in a practical and accessible way, but always responsibly. Now that you know how it can affect blood pH balance, it's time to reflect on how small steps can transform your health. Don't underestimate bicarbonate, a source of well-being. Baking soda, so common and accessible, has proven to be much more than a kitchen ingredient. It is a powerful ally, capable of relieving pain, improving health, and transforming quality of life. Whether fighting canker sores, arthritis, urinary infections, or helping with physical performance, sodium bicarbonate is a natural and effective tool. But it is important to remember that, despite its numerous benefits, it should be used with caution and always with medical advice, especially in cases of more serious health conditions. Every small action towards taking care of your body can bring big changes. If you consciously incorporate these uses, you will be taking valuable steps towards a healthier and more balanced life. So, don't underestimate the power of small habits. Always seek information, take care of yourself, and share what you learn with those you love. You can make a difference in your life and the lives of others, starting now. The next step is in your hands.